and welcome to ThePrint. I'm Akshaya Nath, Senior Assistant Editor with ThePrint. The Madras High Court Tuesday stayed summons issued by Enforcement Directorate to 5 district collectors in connection with alleged illegal sand mining and money laundering case in Tamil Nadu. Though the summons for the district collectors have been stayed, the ED has been given 3 weeks' time to respond. Meanwhile, the court has not put a stay on the investigation carried out by the ED into the illegal sand mining. The writ petition filed jointly by the State Public Department Secretary K. Nandakumar and the collectors of Ariyalur, Vellore, Thanjavur, Karur and Tiruchirappalli districts had two parts. The first part where the writ challenged the ED's summons to the district collectors, and the next 5 writ petitions stated that ED's move challenged the federal structure of the constitution and the ED had acted without the consent of the state government. The two-judge Madras High Court bench of Justice S.S. Sundar and Sundar Mohan, after hearing the arguments on Monday in its interim order on Tuesday, said prima facie the summons given by the ED does not fall under the jurisdiction is what the court felt. The court also added that Tamil Nadu's plea that central agencies are being used against non-BJP state was maintainable. On Friday, Advocate General R. Shanmugasundaram had approached the court requesting for an early hearing in the cases as it was related to infringement of the state's rights. In the writ petition, which is identical, it was stated that the district collectors were served a summons by the ED via email to appear on different dates. The collectors were directed via the email communication that they were to appear in person with a copy of their Aadhaar cards and submit details of all sand mining sites in their district with the following information: name of the site, complete address of the quarry, GPS coordinates of the quarry, GPS address of the depot, GPS coordinates of the depot, permitted areas, permitted depth. The state further challenged that the summons was illegal, and the petition alleged that the move of the ED was with a view to harass and undermine the state machinery by conducting a fishing and roving inquiry. The petition added that the officials of the state are neither accused nor witnesses, and therefore they cannot be summoned under the provisions of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act unless a notification under Clause J of Section 54 was to be given. And till date, the district collectors have not received such a notification. Section 54 of PMLA pertains to assistance of certain officers to ED in inquiry, and Clause J talks about how by notification ED has to specify this request of the assistance from the official in the investigation. The counsel for the state on Monday argued that the ED had no jurisdiction over illegal sand mining as Mines and Minerals Act are not a scheduled offences under PMLA. Senior counsel Dushyant Dev said only non-BJP states have been facing such problems and was violative of the federal principles. He also noted that in other states where the BJP was in power, like Uttar Pradesh, which had 8,000 cases, Maharashtra, which had 4,000 cases, and Haryana, 4,500 cases, no action had been taken by the ED. The writ petition of the state had also noted that between 2022 and 23, Madhya Pradesh had around 50 FIRs filed, and in Gujarat, around 38,100 cases of sand mining was registered between 2015 and 2020, but the ED had not taken any initiative against that. The state in the petition alleged that under the garb of exercising power under the PMLA, the authorities acting under it cannot initiate action in matters wherein they have no jurisdiction. Such action or exercise of power would be vitiated on account of malice in law. The actions impunged are taken for collateral, oblique and improper purpose and amount for colorable exercise of power, it said. Additional Solicitor General A.R.L. Sundaresan noted that the ED had filed an Enforcement Case Information Report (ECIR) on September 11 this year based on 4 first information reports, that is FIRs, that were registered in connection to illegal mining by the Tamil Nadu State Police. He had also alleged that despite the ED seeking for details on FIRs registered in the last 5 years in illegal mining, the Tamil Nadu Director General of Police has not replied to these requests. The ED further informed in the court that the total sale value of illegal excess sand mined in the past 1 to 2 years comes to rupees 4,730 crores as against a recorded revenue of merely rupees 36.45 crore, which is even less, and alleged the state was trying to protect those involved in the crime. Indian Institute of Technology Kanpur, Sundaresan told the court, was appointed by the ED to estimate the volume of sand excavated from 28 mining sites in Tamil Nadu. He further added that the study found that in the last 1 to 2 years, around 24 lakh units of the mineral had been mined illegally in the state. That's all I have for you on this update from Tamil Nadu. Do tune in to The Print for more such stories. I'm Akshaya Nath, Senior Assistant Editor with The Print.